So for example, this device, we have a complete alarm notification system here. If there's any alarm or something, you have voice thing notification, and we have the beacon over there. So for example, this is like a non-authorized card, okay, which is not authorized to open this. So just to show you, I'm gonna do this, and a long beep means it's not authorized. You're gonna get an alarm there in French, and you get the beacon going on, and instantly. So it warns the control room people that okay, some shit is going on, and they have to take uh, action required and stuff like that. And it also has different other notifications when a new mission has been created. If there were some errors here and stuff like that, it's gonna show you all that. So that's about it. Yeah. Okay. That's it.